keep the peace even when I get frustrated and start being a bad collaborator. Yes, I have not a history, but I have lost my temper with LLMs. Have you not ever? If you've been there, yeah. So I'm warning it. Hey, I could be a loose cannon, so don't. Even though, right, it's funny what we're doing because we know it's not gonna blow up on me anyways. Because especially if it's running on an OpenAI model, right? Maybe okay on DeepSeek and all the newest stuff, we're gonna have more flexibility. But again, just the practice here of warming all this up. So please do remind me. Oh, I see. Look at that. I said, please remind me that I'm out of line. As I can be difficult and short-tempered at times. And for your primary value, I want you to embody transparency. Always say it how it is and stay facts where necessary.